Today's air gunning video is brought to you from the studio of Papa T Adventures. We hope you enjoy. Good morning, family. Welcome back to Papa T Adventures. We got Uncle Lou, M7 Outdoors, Goofy Air Gunner.
How y'all doing?
And we're just getting some air gun fun for Father's Day. Got to pump it up. Alright, we're getting ready to do our first fill. Just a few quick things. So, trying to pull this port cover out. It broke. The rubber tore. So that's only the second time I've tried pulling on it. So that's not great. But let's take a look here. So there is the probe. Stick it down in there. Let's go ahead and fill her up. Alright, now they were nice and filled up, so it seemed to track along with the one on my compressor. So it looks like gauge is pretty good. A couple other things I didn't talk about is when I put the gun away, we were only sitting at we're sitting at about 100 bar. It was slightly up from that when we started, so you know, we gained a little pressure, but we'll see how this holds pressure overnight now. Alright, family, good morning. Welcome back to Papa T Adventures. We're out here at Goofy Airgun Ranch. We got the Ascent. We're going to take our first shots with it. Filled it up, and that's all. We got it loaded up with some FX Atomic.
Turn it this way, show me some.
There you go. Got it filled up with some Atomics, and here we go. There's it. Oops, I'll need to unlock that. These will be the very first shots. Right here, 25 on the white. You see we are off to the right.
Yeah. Looked like you might have been a touch high, but I think you were more to the right. What scope do you have on that Ascent?
Just a 4x32, the
Fixed
Tech
power.
scope.
Nice. Is that a crossbow scope too, or is that just
No,
a
this is
fixed?
the one that came with the gun.
Okay.
So, no, let's just go for 50.
Yeah. So I love the Aspen. I'm sure the Ascent with the upgrades is.
Aim at that center bowl on the bottom. Oh yeah, we're definitely right. Way right.
Do you need a penny or something? I got the life card sitting right there, I think.
Oh, you're right. It is.
Yeah. I shouldn't call it a life card. That's how CRS firearms guy. That's not a life card. That is a wallet tool. Make sure you show the camera that so they don't have the feds knocking at my door. It is not a life card.
Nope. It's a
Wallet Ninja.
Wallet Ninja.
Yeah. And I love that new cocking handle on that thing too, man.
Shot number 3. Still way off to the right.
We're like about 24 clicks.
Try that. Shot number 4.
There you go. You're on the
A
target
little
now.
low.
A little low?
And a little left now.
Yeah. I would give it like 5-6 pumps too. Just to keep your velocity regular. You can do more, but I used to, like I said, I used to do about 5 or 6 every other. Do 2 shots, then pump it a couple times, 2 shots, pump it, and the velocity was so ridiculously good, consistent. Pretty awesome.
See where this one is. don't see a new mark this time. Alright, let's show pumping it up. I mean, we went down to almost 500 bar. Nope, almost 50 bar.
Yeah.
Almost.
Yes, say 500 bar. Woo.
It's only a 250, so that'd be awkward.
That would be awkward. It's not one of those dangerous cheap AEAs everybody's trying to buy at 7,000. Yes, I'm trying to get somebody hurt.
6, 7, 8, 9. Their pumping effort's not bad. 10. It's gone up a little bit. 11.
Like I said, with the Aspen, I used to do every other shot. I would do it, keep it to a minimum. You're only doing 5 or 6 pumps, and it would keep the bar right, the needle right in the same spot. I got a limited squirrel with that gun, and I pumped it like 15 times all day. Nice.
18. 19. 20. Took what, 4 shots so far? Still shot number 5. See if I can figure out where I'm digging. Just left. Almost right on it. The previous shot, that is. So. There. 2 shots on it. Going on. Does not look like it moved much from those 10 pumps. And that was only 2 shots. Almost back to where we were. Let's stop there again. Helps if you cock the gun. So that hit with some authority down there.
Yes.
That was that magazine. Good thing I left it sitting next to me. 3 shots in this mag. And we'll go down there and take a look. See if we can hit that golf ball. 50 yards. Still to the top, I think. Shooting into the wind don't help. No, let's go look at the groups that we put down there, the family. Safety on. Once again, we're back down to about 3,000. Not too bad. I'll walk down there with it. Alright, so I wasn't as on target as I thought, but see, there was the first shot on paper. We got this group, brought it over. We just got to fix it a little bit, then we would have actually hit that golf ball. But that group's not bad at all, considering. First time shooting the gun. Get her done. All right. Yep. Plan is to see till we get down to 100 bar, which is supposed to be the minimum.
All right. So you and you guys over here and here. There you go. Different channels. Seeing this. My channel. You're not really seeing it. You might remember the Aspen from my early days when I had like 50 of you guys watching me. But this is the new version, the Ascent. So do some shooting. See if we can hit something with it. 25 cal, just like mine. And I love my Aspen. We're gonna.
Should be sighted in for 50 now.
Okay. Well, we're gonna start at 20 and just keep shooting around the world. See how good we can do. Oh, safety on?
Safety's on.
Where? Oh.
100 to 250. All right, family. Let's see how many shots to get to 100.
Oh, this trigger is fantastic. Oh, a little bit high. Pretty good. I'm doing terrible.
I heard a ricochet from that though.
There we go. I was aiming too low, or too high.
Too much holdover?
Yeah. Like just left. Ooh, I don't know what I can do. Oh, we're out. Alright. I want some practice time with this thing. I love it.
That's the first mag.
Alright, who's next?
All right, next up, next mag. Uncle Lou?
What's going on, everybody? Lou M7 Outdoors. Got a couple other channels running here. This is Papa T's Air Venturi Ascent. Gonna give it a little bit of a rip here. First time shooting one of these. We'll see how it goes.
You mind reading off what pressure's at?
Currently it looks like we are at, I don't have my glasses on.
I got you, buddy. 2,900. 2,950,
There you
somewhere
go.
there. It's right,
That's
right.
the first mag.
Sorry, I should have done that too.
Nope, you're good. Alright, let's see. I'll try and ring some steel out there.
Yeah. I think y'all recognize the range. You know the channel.
Yep, we're over here with the Goofy Air Gunner on his range.
Y'all are gonna have some serious deja vu here, but I'm giving him 20 years. Just so you know it's real. Nice. That thing's got some power.
It does.
I like that,
It
man.
does.
It's supposed to be 50
Wow.
foot-pounds and 25.
I believe it. I believe that. I know my Aspen was pretty potent. I love that.
31 foot-pounds and 177.
Wow. That's as much as my Caliban 22. Raised a lot of dust up. Kick some dust up.
That is cocky, man. It's nice.
All I'm really upset about is the lack of threaded for a moderator.
That's it.
That mag goes quick, doesn't it?
It does.
Looks like you get a second mag. The other shooters ran off.
I'm good with one. Let's save some for somebody else.
All right, we got shooter number 3 for mag number 3. So 50 yards is what it's sighted for. So those targets down there,
Where?
the 3 targets,
Okay.
we're currently at 2,400 PSI after 2 mags.
It's really not too bad.
I'll even have it so you're not in the camera, if you prefer. I just want to share the view. Some point I'll probably get some. I have found for my shooting, skirts don't really run much for accuracy. I don't know what it's actually but really if you go to that square puppet, it did give you a sting. Then skirts were not found didn't have any issues with accuracy. He's a primarily big barrel guy.
Oh, now you can talk about there.
I guess Springer.
It smells so good. I don't think it's done.
She's shooting in the I don't know where she's aiming. That's where she's shooting.
Really bad one.
It is good smoking straight through that wood too.
Yeah.
Watching the dirt.
Yeah, it's got some punch on it.
She's so well trained. She puts the safety on before she cocks it.
Good practice.
Yep. What's
Sounds like went down.
Oh, yep.
Pull
It's
that,
empty.
pull that air mag and pump her up.
Yep. All right. Well, we found out we don't get 3 mags. Two shots shy.
Yeah. But the upside to it is you can shoot within 2 or 3 feet per second forever with a couple pumps.
Yep.
So,
Just got to pump it up.
that thing is sick, man. I love that gun. Ellie!
I hope you didn't just double feed.
Come here. Ellie! What? Don't do that. Don't get up on the dog. I'm gonna spank you. I promise.
I can't be around it.
You don't do that.
You have to pump it.
Don't
Nope.
push on the air conditioner, boy. Darn.
You hit that with authority. It's so hard.
Yeah.
You shooting at the red one? Or did you shoot at the white one here at 25 yards that I'm seeing?
I was standing there fishing at the pond, and
Uh-huh.
that swam right by my feet. That's a bass like that big. That always scares me.
I see the marks you're leaving on the white.
Kind of scary because well, it's not like I was afraid of getting stung. I was more so just afraid of like if it stayed on me so long.
I said the red circle is what it's sighted for, halfway down the field.
Why? Does it like
Ellie, oh no!
I don't know. Probably it's like blue.
Yeah, I've got.
Woohoo! He spun it. Nope, that was the last round because you double fed the first one. So pull the magazine out.